Good afternoon, students. 11th Commerce. Last class we all studied Hindu undivided family and partnership. The Hindu undivided family. Hindu undivided families follow only in India. The Hindu joint family system followed in India. The Hindu joint family is controlled under the Hindu law. Is two important Hindu law is one is Mr. Harsha, second one is Dayabaha. Dayabaha. This is two important Hindu laws. Next one, the Hindu undivided family, two or more families are agree to live, work together and invest the resources and labor, jointly share profit and loss together. Family share a profit and loss jointly together. Next one is partnership. Next one, the important Hindu undivided family. The head of the family is known as Karta. The head of the family is known as Karta. Next one, partnership. The Indian Partnership Act 1932. The 1932 Indian Partnership Act, olden days oral only, some oral agreement only, but nowadays Partnership Act 1932 is compulsory. Each and every partnership compulsory registered in stamp paper. Registered in stamp paper is compulsory. Next one, some partnership is there. Some important characteristics: contractual relationship, existing business, sharing profit, mutual agency, plurality of persons, advantage, easy formation, and easy form partnership, easy formation in partnership. Two or more person joining together is partnership. Two or more person, that is the number of the person is 10 in the case of firm and banking in the business of 20. Next one, content of partnership firm in name of the firm and nature of the proposed business and durations of partnership. Duration means the time period. Capital contribution, withdraw for the firm and profit and loss, sharing a profit and loss and interest on capital. So many content of partnership deed. Next one, some rights and duties of partnership. Rights and duties is the same word, students, same meaning. Rights and duties. No, rights is different, duty is different. Rights is what? You any doubt means anytime you ask question, that is your rights. But duty is that every day you complete your homework, some revision part, you finish that day, that is your duty only. That is your duty only. Some partners rights and duties of partnership. Next one, types of the partnership. So many types. Listen students, this one important question. Types of partnership. So many types. The partners is sleeping partner, nominal partner, secret partner, partner in profit only, partners by estoppel, partners by holding out minor partner. Which is the age of the minor partner? A minor partner age is what? Minor partner age is 18, but completed in 21 is a partner, one of the partner. Otherwise, guardian has been appointed in by court. Guardian appointed by court below 21, but minor partner is the age of 18, but 21 completed person only admit in the one of the partner, but not complete means the guardian has been appointed. Guardian must be appointed. Next one, registration of the firm. Registration of the partnership firm is compulsory registration. Compulsory registration. Name of the firm, principle of the business, which product you produced, which level of quantity, which level of content, which level of inputs use. That is very important. Name of the firm. Next one, principles of the business and name and address of the partners and which date and joining the partners and duration period, duration of the time gap. So many things you procedure for registration firm. This lesson is very important. Next one important word is already everybody you studied this word. What this word is dissolution. This word is everybody. That class, one class is everybody you thorough this word. Dissolution means dissolve the partnership. Anytime, any problem, any insolvency, incapable means or death of partner means automatically in dissolution of partnership. Okay students, today we will discuss one new topic, joint stock company. Today one new topic is joint stock company. What do you mean by joint stock company? Joint stock company means is joining together. Is company highest shareholder only company board of the director, other and all only in joint directors or joint of partners. A joint stock company is joining together. The joint stock company is highest shareholder level is 51%, lowest level is 49. Lowest percentage is 49 is highest percentage persons only in head of the board of meeting. A joint stock company act is India is compulsory registered in 1956. Indian Company Act or Indian Joint Stock Company Act in which year? 1956. A joint stock company meaning and definitions of a company. A joint stock company is distinct type of the business and organization evaluate to overcome the limitations of sole trader and partnership concern. The advancements in science and technology impact means some effects. Impacts of industrial revolution in industrial revolution is 1991 new economic policy. That time is industrial revolution. India is industrial revolution, green revolution, white revolution, blue revolution. So many revolution schemes, but this lesson is very important. Revolution is industrial revolution. The Industrial Revolution in 1991. Listen, students. New NEP means New Economic Policy. New Economic Policy 1991 is implemented in some new revolutions of so many changes in industrial sector. The large revolutions have necessitated a large amount of capital investment and highly sophisticated managerial skill for running a large scale industries. So many the small scale businesses invest in change to small scale industry to converted to large scale converted to standard industries. Medium scale industries is converted to large scale industries. Some managerial skill running. Skill means what? Skill means talent. So many talent. Managerial skill is very important role of company. The managerial skill is very potential and effective is in potential skill means automatically that company is only in upgrade only. The managerial skill is efficient. Managerial skill means that company is easy to achieve or position. Partnership with the limitations of capital and managerial abilities. Managerial means that is managerial ability, and with the add to risk unlimited liability has been found unsuitable for running a large scale industries in modern times. Therefore, a joint stock company from organization came into existence. The joint stock company in India are governed by the Indian Company Act 2030. Earlier one was the Company of 1956. 1956 is the earlier one, but nowadays the Indian Company Act 2013 section 470. The act came into the forces of 12th September 2013. Few changes like earlier private companies, maximum number of members in 50. Now it will be 200. Olden days only in 50, but nowadays in changing in 200. Now it will be 200 person in a joint stock company. Listen students, joint stock company, joint means 5% or 10% joining. That person's name is partner. Joining person, that person name is partner, or some person is indirectly secret partners or secret one of the shareholder, but that person is name is not enter in the partnership. The joint stock company persons, so joint stock company is a nowadays in 200% maximum 200 persons joining together in the partnership. For the partnership or joint stock company, one person, one you purchase in one share means is in our vote rights in one only. Voting rights is one only. Next one person, two shares purchase means two voting rights. Another person, 5 shares purchased means that person is voting rights is 5. The highest shareholder is a one of the board of director. Highest shareholder is a one of the board of director. The next one, listen students, this is one important one word. Indian Company Act is olden days 1956. nowadays in 2013. The olden days in the company joint stock company members is 15. Nowadays in 200 people. Definition: a company is an association of many persons who contributed money or money worth to be common stock. An employee, it is an some trade or business and who share the profit and loss, as the case may be arising their firm. A company associated persons, many person, joint stock company persons in money worth or money. Money worth means what? Some investments. Investments means some machine. Asset oriented content. Money worth, asset oriented content. In Lord Lindley, a company is an artificial persons created by law having a separate entity with the perpetual section and a common seal. Perpetual section and common seal. Listen students, this is easy to understood this lesson. Joint stock company. Joint means two or more persons joining together, that is called joint stock company. The joint stock company is what joint the persons. Joining the persons means one person, one share means one voting rights. Two person means two voting share rights. Five shareholders means five voting rights. 10 shareholders means that is 10 voting rights. Listen students, highest shareholder only is one of the board of director. Okay students, next class we will discuss next one, new topic. Students, do not waste your time. This lesson important. 4 one words I dictated. Indian Partnership Act, which year? 1956. Nowadays 2013. How many? Which sections of Indian Partnership Act? 470 section. Next one, the Indian Joint Stock Company partners is 50 is maximum. The number of members is 50, and now it will be rising 200 persons in a joint stock company shareholder. 200 persons. Okay students, next class we will discuss next one, new topic. Dear students, do not waste your time. Each and every day you one topic means that topic that day you read and write at least one time you write. But 10th already you 10th standard, but small only. But 11th standard, so much of paragraph 5 mark question is compulsory. 2.5 pages questions. Okay students, every day you read. Do not waste your time students. Okay, thank you.